Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying you actually have the Birthright route installed and the correct platform. This saves time and prevents wasted steps. Once confirmed, immediately back up your save file so you can revert if recruitment fails. Next, load the earliest chapter where Isaac can be introduced and watch for scene triggers. These often act as the first actionable recruitment window. Make sure to record your current relationship or support points, because many unlocks depend on precise preconditions. Once you arrive mid-game, focus on meeting the exact support or affinity thresholds that enable Isaac to join. Check the menus for numeric indicators and raise them efficiently. Then complete the required missions or story events in the explicit order specified by the route, because skipping or reordering can lock the branch. Make the dialogue and item choices that favor his recruitment and pair him with suggested allies when prompted. These tangible choices determine whether the unlock flag flips. To finish, trigger the final recruitment event and immediately confirm Isaac is added to your roster or appears in the scene. Save after confirmation. If he does not appear, reload the backup and repeat only the last decision sequence, paying close attention to timing and dialogue variants. Small deviations matter. If problems persist, verify game patches and DLC conflicts, consult community reports for version-specific bugs, and try the unlock on a fresh save as a last resort.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.